Hello guys, this is me, Zane. Oh god, I gotta stop messing with him. Hi guys, welcome back, or welcome to my channel, whichever one you're here for. I don't know where people are right now, but whatever. I haven't looked at my analytics because I only have 21 subscribers. So, this is just a little intro video to tell you guys that I'm starting a series. No, it isn't a movie series, no, it isn't a show series, and no, it isn't a documentary series, because Shane and Jeffrey already have that title already. I can't come for their crown, but it's going to be a really cute series because, you know, I've been getting a lot of, like, questions. And, of course, it's a series about plants. Plants! Yes, I get constant text messages, DMs, and questions from people asking me things such as this. Why do you have so many plants? Oh my god, like, why do you have so many plants? Are you like a hoarder or something? By the way, I am. Duh. Like, oh my god, you should do like a documentary series or like a little series on how to like care for plants, because there aren't enough people on YouTube making a whole bunch of plants. And like, you really need to like join that and like get a whole bunch of subscribers and everything. I bet. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making a whole series of all the plants that I have. Plants that I have now, plants that I've recently gotten rid of, plants that I've killed. Oh god, so many casualties. And of course, like, all of my plants have backstories, so like, you're gonna hear about all that stuff, you know. They have names. They all have names. But yeah, that's the videos to come in my little YouTube channel, my little YouTube journey. And of course, I'm gonna have other wacky, fun, probably dumb, stupid videos coming soon too. So please stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's about it. Just a little, you know, cute little intro. And, you know, just to end this video, if you like this channel, go ahead and subscribe and become a the royal family. Become a king and a queen today. And, you know, give this video a like, because, you know, YouTube needs to bring up them small subscriber counts. Because listen, I've been waiting too long. I need my checks. I need my coins. Anyway, bye guys. I'll see you in the next video.